Well, here's a little follow-up video, and basically the morons are just up there, over the just over the brow. They can see this laser on the trees. They can see this laser. They can see that. It was shone straight at them when they were in the field anyway, and they got security just on the other side of that hill. Two of them sitting on the hill. Wasn't much good though, was it? Wasn't much good. Yeah. They couldn't see a thing, could they? Yeah. They walked straight up to these idiots making the crop circle. Yeah. Some good that was. Yeah, fuck you. Look at them pricks up there. Fuck you, pricks. Fuck you, pricks. Fucking shining me back because they're a fucking bunch of bell ends. Fucking bell ends. So, the location of the circle is just about here. Just across the top of there. That's the location of the circle. Right? So we're facing south here. So you've got the Woodborough Hill. What? Woodborough Hill. And some bell end there. Look up, fucking sitting on the edge. Yeah? Some fucking bell end. Yeah. So, there we are. If you want to come and inspect this marvel of circle making, I'm sure it's going to be a piece of shit. I'm pretty sure of it. So if you want to come and inspect it to see how amazing it is, then there it is. It's up there, folks. And there ain't no way they're going to be palming this off as anything other than a piece of shit. So I will be the first one with the photos of this on the internet now, because I'm going to fly my drone over it. And they cannot stop me. So I will put this on the internet faster than they can excrete crop circles in the Southfield.